Welcome children to SV Union High School and Junior College. This is Deepa Phadke. We are going to learn comparison of adjectives in this session. So let's begin to learn comparison of adjectives. Children, you can see these sentences, these examples. Mary is a clever girl. Pinky is a cleverer girl. Shayla is cleverest of the three. In these sentences, adjectives change in forms to show comparison. So this comparison of adjectives is only known as the 3 degrees of comparison. Children, if you see the sentence 1, the adjective clever is shown or given as the simple quality, which is known as positive degree. When there is no comparison made and only the information is about one person, then it is called as positive degree. So here the adjective clever degree, we can see that it is preceded by definite article the and also followed by of or as. See these examples. Shayla is the cleverest of all girls, the cleverest. Rama is the ablest of all boys, the ablest. We can say this way also. Rama is the best boy in the class, not a best boy, but we are using the definite article the best boy. He is the fastest runner. We could have written he is fastest runner. No, when we are using superlative degree, we have to use definite article the. So he is the fastest runner. Children, you can observe this table. You'll understand comparison of degrees in a better way. All these are positive words that are written in the extreme left side column. Bold, strong, weak, all these are positive degree adjectives. So adjectives that are to be used in the positive degree because they come in their original base or root word, root form. When we look at them to the comparative words like comparative degree, you can see that bold becomes bolder in comparative degree. Same bold word gets or becomes boldest in the superlative degree. What does that mean? The degree of comparative is usually formed by adding ER to the positive and the superlative by adding EST to the positive. So when we look at the words in their positive degree, they come in their root form. But Same way, when we look at the comparative degree words, adjectives, definitely these positive words get something to be added. Some words, some group of letters are added. ER is added to make the positive degree into comparative. Same way, EST is added to the positive to make the superlative degree. This is the way, children: bold, bolder, boldest; strong, stronger, strongest; weak, weaker, weakest. Children, same way you can observe this table. When the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added to form the comparative and superlative. Children, what we observed in the previous table, same thing we are learning here. We have to add ER or R to make it comparative. Same way, we have to add ST to the positive to make it superlative. See these words, see these adjectives: able, abler, ablest; true, truer, truest; wise, wiser, wisest. What is the difference between last table and this table, children? We get to see different words ending with E. If the positive word ends with E, only you have to add R in their comparative degree. And while making it superlative, you just have to add ST because E is already there. That is the difference, children, between the previous table and this table. Otherwise, it is same. Now, children, we will observe this table. This is the third table which you are observing about positive, comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Look at the first word that is given in positive degree, big. When the positive ends in one consonant and the consonant is preceded by a short vowel, the final consonant is doubled. Now look at the same word big in its comparative form. It becomes bigger. What change we have made? It was ending with the consonant with a short vowel. So the final letter, final consonant is G in the given word big. So it comes in double. That means twice we have to use G, that is B-I-G-G-E-R. So this is the way the final consonant gets doubled, and then ER is added to make it comparative. Same way to make it superlative, you have to make the last, you have to use the last letter twice, adding EST in its superlative form. So you might have understood, children, in the first table we have observed something that is ending the word with E. You just have to add R. Same way here, ending in the last consonant, you have to double it and then use ER in its comparative form and EST in its superlative form. In all the previous tables, we have observed how the word ends, whether it ends with consonant or vowel. Here, children, we are observing the words in its positive form ending with Y. When the word ends with the consonant Y, then Y is preceded by a consonant. The Y is changed into I and then ER is added to make it into comparative degree. Same way to make it superlative, the dry, this word or any word ending with Y, that Y is removed and then EST is added. Now look at these words: dry, happy, pretty. These are all positive words, positive degree words. To make them into comparative, to change them into comparative, we have to remove Y and add IER. Dry changes into drier, happy into happier, and pretty into prettier. Same way, while changing these words, these positive words into its superlative form, we have to remove Y and then instead of Y, I is added and then along with I, EST gets added to change these positive words into superlative degree of adjectives. So dry becomes driest, happy becomes happiest and pretty becomes prettiest in the superlative form of degree. Children, we have learnt in this table that if the positive degree adjective ends with y, then definitely we need to remove it adding I, and then at the end we have to add ER for making it comparative, and to change it into superlative we have to use EST. Now here children, if you observe, you need to understand one more thing over here. If the positive degree adjective ends with Y, but here it is preceded by a vowel A. What do you mean by preceded? Before Y, if the consonant is coming, no need to change. But here the vowel is coming before Y. So here the Y is not changed into I when ER and EST is added. So how will you understand? If the word ends with Y but preceded by consonant, you have to remove that Y and add I over there. But whenever the positive adjective ends with Y but preceded by a vowel, you need not remove that Y. So here if you see, positive degree words are gay, grey, but to change them into comparative, Y is not removed. You just have to add ER to change it into comparative, and you just have to add EST to change that positive degree adjective into superlative. So gay, gayer, gayest, grey, grayer, greyest. Children, we have learned and observed so many tables to change the positive degree adjectives into comparative and superlative. We also have learned about their rules to be followed. Now children, after observing this table, you will understand that all these adjectives like beautiful, popular, courageous, these adjectives of more than 2 syllables and many adjectives of 2 syllables form the comparative by adding the word more to the positive. So beautiful, this positive degree adjective changes into more beautiful into comparative degree. Now to change it into superlative, they have to be added with most to the positive. So beautiful, more beautiful, comparative degree, most beautiful, superlative degree. Same way popular, courageous, these words are of like more than 2 syllables. So wherever you get to see the words adjectives in its positive degree having 2 or more than 2 syllables, they have to be added along with more in the comparative degree and most into the superlative degree. Children, some adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives in an irregular way. Now look at these words, look at these adjectives: bad, ill, worse, worst. Have you seen their comparative and superlative forms? Same way, late, later, latest, little, less, least, many, much, more, most, nigh, nigher, nighest, next. So you can understand that there are some words, there are some adjectives, they form in an irregular way in their comparative and superlative degree. Children, generally it has been found that we make a lot of mistakes. So here what mistake we need to avoid is double comparatives. Sometimes while making or forming the sentence, we forget that we are forming double comparatives and double superlatives into the sentence. Now see this sentence: he is more happier than me. Actually the correct form is he is happier than me. Here we need not use more while making it into comparative degree. Same way, the words superior, inferior, junior are followed by to instead of than. That we need to remember, children. Now look at this sentence: this cloth is superior than that. No, we never use conjunction than over here, rather we use to. This cloth is superior to that. So children, these are few tips, few rules which we need to follow while changing comparative, superlative and positive degrees. Children, here is an exercise for all of you to solve. Thank you.